Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share the review for Radisson Blu Hotel Hamburg. So Hamburg is a beautiful city located in Germany, and my husband recently went there, so I asked him to record some part of this hotel so that I can share a tour video with you guys. So now that's the entrance here, and a beautiful weather as you can see. Now let's go inside. So we are heading towards the reception area, and here it is on the left hand side. And if we go further a little from the reception area, so if you see on the left there is a bar, so that's called the Boston bar, and they have another bar which is rooftop. So so that's how the lobby area looks like. And now let's head towards the restaurant, which is the Boston restaurant. And on the left you can see that's the open seating arrangement. A few of them are in shade as well. For your convenience, you can find breakfast, lunch and dinner, and there are vegan and vegetarian options served as well. Now let's explore a few other areas of this hotel. So that's the lift, and once we get inside the lift, here on the buttons you can see it's mentioned Sydney, New York. So those are the meeting rooms within Radisson which you can book in case you are there for a business meeting or business trip. So now we have reached the floor named Sydney, and here if we go on the left, so there is a spa where you can get appointments for your spa, and accordingly you can take the services from that. And moving further, if you can see far away, it's written Sydney. So now I'll just show it to you here. So it's a small meeting room, conference room kind of thing where you can do your business meetings. And moving ahead, so you can see it's mentioned health, massage and sport. So you get an access card which you need to punch, and you'll get the entry towards the gym. So here on the left hand side they have their gym, and I must say they have quite good number of machines available. So whoever wants to do gym or some kind of fitness exercises in the morning, they can come here. Now coming to the most exciting part of any hotel review is their room tour. So let's get inside the room. So now that's the room. Very good amount of sunlight is there, I must say. It's a well lit room, and small chair to keep your luggage. And here on the right hand side is the washroom. On turning the lights on, that's what the washroom looks like, beautifully designed. On the right hand side there's a bathtub, and all the bathroom amenities are from Radisson, hand wash, lotions, everything is there. Now going back towards the room, oh, it has a television, a big size bed, and if we look here, it's a see-through window between the bathroom and the room. So there's a pamphlet also kept for the spa, so you can go on the Sydney floor, which I did show you earlier, and get that done. Moving ahead, two chairs for your seating, and that's the view. Beautiful view of the city. So, as I said, Hamburg is a beautiful city in Germany, so Radisson even makes the experience better. On the left, that's the study table, and here, if we look below the television, so that's the hospitality tray and a refrigerator, small refrigerator on the right hand side, which you can use to keep any of your liquids or any kind of food items. So now that was all about the room, and now let's head towards the restaurant. So that's the restaurant in Radisson Hotel Hamburg, and that's the time for breakfast. And I must say there are quite many options available for breakfast. I mean, if you are a non-vegetarian, you have many options there, and you can find Middle Eastern dishes. Along with that, people who are vegetarians, so they can find vegetarian or rather vegan food available for them. So these, I'm sharing a quick glimpse of everything which is available on that particular, which was available on that particular day. All kinds of healthy breakfast options are available. Different kinds of breads are there, and if anybody who wants to have non-veg or meat, so several kinds of meat were available there. And if we come here towards this side, so cereals, anybody who wants to have cornflakes or any other kind of cereals in the morning, so there are many options available. And that's how the seating area of the restaurant looks like. Quite spacious, well lit. And I must say, if you are traveling to Hamburg and looking for a place to stay, Radisson Blu Hamburg is a very good option. So that was all about Radisson Blu Hamburg from my end. I hope you liked my video. So please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. So thank you so much for now. Bye bye.